Good morning, students. So today is the first class. We are going to see the subject, that is RF integrated circuits. So since this is the first class, we are going to see the introduction of this subject. So saying about the introduction of RF integrated system circuits, first we want to know the meaning of the subject. So defining the meaning of the subject title, it can be defined as, that is, radio frequency which is integrated in the electronic circuits, that is integrating radio frequency circuits. So this is the meaning of the title. So normal circuits are there with the help of antenna, some wireless communication, some wireless radiations are transmitted and received. So such components and circuits are integrated. Then we can say it as RF integrated circuits. So nowadays this RF integrated circuits only we are using for wireless communication. Since learning this subject, the main motive is, we have framed some 5 objectives of learning this subject. So the main first objective is, that is to know about what is RF integrated circuit systems. Next, we learn about the components. Since it is an electronic circuits, semiconductor devices and components are used in RF systems. So these components we are supposed to learn in here. Next, to understand about different noises in RF wireless communication. Since RF is based on wireless, the signals are transmitted in space. So in such case, there are more possibility of interferences. So that because more interference of noises is there. So to understand about this, we were learning about here in RF communication what are the noises are there. Next, to carry out RF communication, wireless communication, antennas are required. So and it needs to be broadcasted till the receiver. So it is amplified at various stages. So the next thing is, we are going to learn about various amplifiers used in RF systems, RF systems. And finally, we were discussing about the various applications of RFICs, the various domains the RFICs are being used. So like this, the subject is having 5 units as a syllabus. The first unit, saying about first unit, it is an introduction of RF systems. And second unit, as referred, that is, it discusses about the MOS devices, various MOS devices used in the RF system. Next, it has the various types of noises. The third unit completely discusses about the various types of noises and how it can be overcome. And fourth unit, it discusses about the RF amplifiers, different types of amplifiers which we are using there in RF transmitter and receiver systems. So that we are discussing in the fourth unit. And finally, fifth unit, there we will be discussing about various applications. Depends upon the applications, how the RF signals are generated using oscillators, and it is transmitted at different ranges of RF frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum. So these things were discussed in the fifth unit. So as an outline, yes, small brief introduction of the title, that is, here the title consists of two phrases, that is radio frequency and integrated circuits. So segregating this, modularizing this, and we can see the meaning of this, what is radio frequency and what is integrated circuits. First, saying about radio frequency, we can say that a range of frequencies from 3 kilohertz to 300 gigahertz, which is suitable for wireless communication in electromagnetic spectrum of radio waves, is called as radio waves or radio frequencies. So if you want to define this, if you want to state this, you can state like this: with the range of frequencies that is used for communication, we will be calling it as radio frequencies, that is from 3 kilohertz to 300 gigahertz. That frequency range we will be calling it as radio frequencies. So next, saying about the integrated circuits. So if you want to define this, we can define like this, that is the components necessary for various functions are integrated in a single circuit is called as integrated circuits. So once again, if we want to say about this, that is the components necessary for various functions are integrated in a single circuit, then we can call it as integrated circuits. So here in this subject we will discussing about, that is radio frequency RF circuits which were integrated in the circuits, how it is integrated in the circuits and suitable for communication, suitable for wireless communication. So these things we were discussing, and this is the meaning of this subject. And what is the use of this RFICs? It has various different applications and utilization. Generally the use and need of this RF integrated circuit is to introduce or to create wireless communication. Nowadays we were preferring in every aspect, we were preferring wireless communication, wireless interaction and wireless control. This is the preferred things. So this can be achieved with the help of this RF integrated circuits. So that's why this subject is playing a vital role in electronics communication system. So saying about RF system, that is we can say it as a normal communication system. It can be considered as a normal communication where we will be normal wireless communication, especially we were for this that wireless communication system being a good example for RF system. So here we will be using antenna where the radio frequencies are generated by the antenna, it is transmitted wirelessly and it is received at the receiver end. So the basic wireless communication system be the best example for and best application for RF integrated circuits. So here the major components when we are saying about RF integrated circuits is modulator, demodulator, power amplifier and antennas. These are some of the major components that plays a vital role in RF integrated circuits. So in detail, if you want to say in detail, we can see about this in coming first unit topics in detail. So to refer this to learn about this subject, we can prefer these textbooks and reference books. That is the first the textbook which is drafted by Thomson H. Lee and another one Razavi, Benson Razavi. So these are two books which can be preferred as textbooks and reference books to understand about RF integrated circuits. Thank you.